So, let's dive into the problem we have here. You want to abut multiple dynamically sized tables to each other, but the catch is that any one of these tables may actually be empty. This can be a tricky problem when dealing with Excel formulas, as inserting a 0 can result in errors rather than gracefully handling the situation. Your initial approach using MAKEARRAY, HSTACK, and IFERROR was on the right track, but you encountered some roadblocks when trying to filter out the empty column. Now, let's focus on the solution provided. In the first part of the solution, the formula uses the let function to define arrays A, B, and C based on the input values. By using IFERROR with a custom LAMBDA function to handle empty values, the formula creates a stack by horizontally stacking these arrays. The BYCOL function with a custom LAMBDA is then used to create a col_ mask that filters out any blank columns. Moving on to the next part of the solution, an alternative approach is introduced. Instead of directly using MAKEARRAY, a custom LAMBDA function called CREX is defined to handle the array creation and error checking. Again, the HSTACK, BYCOL, and filter functions are utilized to produce the final result, ensuring that any empty columns are removed. The solution then introduces a different tactic using the MMULT function. By leveraging sequence and checking for non-blank values in the stack, a similar outcome is achieved. Lastly, the formula presents a condensed version by excluding the MAKEARRAY function. The CREX function generates the arrays, and the BYCOL function with the AND operator is used to filter out blank columns, resulting in the desired output. To wrap it all up, we've explored various methods to address the challenge of abutting dynamically sized tables with the possibility of empty columns. By combining creative array functions and error handling techniques, you can elegantly handle varying table sizes in Excel without breaking a sweat. Remember, Excel formulas can be powerful tools when used creatively. So, give these solutions a try and make your spreadsheet tasks a breeze. And as always, happy Excelling!